Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to give a quick rundown. I built this spray booth just the other day. It's kind of just the DIY cheapo, but man, it worked really good. I would have did a pre-video, but I wasn't sure if it was actually going to work. But what I did is I had this big box from when I bought a gaming chair, cut out a 20 by 20 hole, went and bought a filter, stuck it on one back side, and I bought a box fan, put it on the other side so it draws air through and out the back. And I'm painting with a automotive spray gun, so it's a lot of, you know, fumes and whatnot, and it did really well. As you can see, I did a lot of flake paint and there's a lot of it to the back there. So if you're thinking about painting something, this maybe cost me $30 with the 2 filters and the fan. I had the box, and everything else, you know, is electric or whatever. I'll show you some of what I painted. So these are the parts that I originally painted in that spray booth, and as you see, I painted outside exactly where it was. There's no dust on it. It's flawless. Everything looks really good. And then even this is a flake paint job, that's why there was flakes everywhere. And this came out pretty good. So if you're thinking about painting outside or painting in general, I would definitely recommend building just a quick, easy paint booth that improves the paint quality tremendously. This is mirror perfect. There's no dust or nothing in it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and we'll be making some more videos painting and RC stuff.